All right, let's just jump right in. What if I told you that creating cinematic, Hollywood-quality AI video doesn't require a massive server farm anymore? What if you didn't need a bottomless bank account? What if you could do it right from your own desk, on the computer you probably already have?
I know, it sounds like something from the future, right? The idea of generating these incredible videos from just a simple text prompt without racking up $1,000 cloud computing bills, well, guess what? It's not a dream anymore. Tencent just made it a reality for, well, pretty much all of us.
And this, right here, this really shows you the massive shift we're talking about. We are literally moving from that old world of needing these giant, expensive cloud servers and super complicated setups to a world where all that power lives right inside your gaming PC. It's a total game changer.
Now, to really get why this is such a big deal, you have to understand the problem that's been holding everyone back. For the longest time, high-end AI video has been trapped inside this kind of walled garden. It was only accessible to a handful of people with just immense resources.
This was the wall. For any normal creator, the barrier to entry was just way too high. You needed graphics cards with insane amounts of video memory, VRAM, you needed all this complex hardware, and you were constantly relying on super pricey cloud services. For most people, it was completely out of reach.
But now, we have the key to that gate. A solution has finally shown up that just completely tears down those walls, opening up this incredible world of high-quality AI video to basically everyone. Let's get into it.
Say hello to HunyuanVideo 1.5. This is a new open-source model from Tencent, and it is an absolute beast. It's an 8.3 billion parameter model. But here's the real kicker. It competes with, and sometimes even beats, models that are 3 times its size. And because it's open source, the entire creative community can finally get their hands on it and start building. And this brings us to the magic number, 14 gigabytes. That is all the VRAM you need to run this thing. Now, to put that in perspective for you, that means a common gaming GPU like an RTX 3080 can handle it. This number right here is what makes this model a true revolution.
People are already calling this the stable diffusion moment for AI video, and honestly, they're spot on. Think about it. Just like Stable Diffusion completely blew the doors open for AI image generation for the masses, HunyuanVideo 1.5 is set to do the exact same thing for video. It is a massive, massive step forward.
So the big question is, how did they pull this off? How in the world did they pack so much power into such an efficient little package? Well, the tech behind it is genuinely fascinating. It all comes down to a few really key innovations, but the real secret weapon, the thing that makes it all possible, is a technique called SSTA. This is where the magic really happens.
So what on earth is SSTA? It stands for Selective and Sliding Tile Attention. The easiest way to think about it is like a super smart editor built right into the AI. As it's generating a video, it's constantly looking for parts of the scene that aren't changing much, the redundant stuff. It then cleverly ignores those parts and focuses all of its processing power only on what actually matters, the things that are moving.
And the results of using this trick? They're incredible. It makes video generation nearly twice as fast. It creates motion that's way smoother and more consistent, and most importantly, it drastically cuts down the VRAM you need. This right here is the engine that's driving this whole new wave of accessibility.
Okay, so that's the how. Now for the really fun part, the what. What does this actually mean for you, for the creators out there? This isn't just some technical achievement. It unlocks a whole new landscape of creative possibilities.
Just imagine being able to write a script for a short film and then almost instantly see it come to life. You can prototype ideas, create stunning visuals, all from a simple text prompt. The barrier between what's in your head and what's on the screen is just dissolving.
Or hey, if you're a game developer, just think about the possibilities here. You can now prototype entire cutscenes, test out different visual styles, and visualize your story in motion, all without needing a huge animation team or a massive budget right from day one.
And for all my fellow content creators out there, this is huge. Do you need a specific shot of a bustling city at night or maybe a serene forest at dawn? Instead of spending hours or hundreds of dollars scrolling through stock footage sites, you can just generate it. It's the perfect B-roll, on demand. I mean, that alone could disrupt the entire stock footage industry.
And look, this isn't just for one specific group of people. This is for indie filmmakers, for YouTubers, for visual effects artists, for developers, for musicians who need visuals for their tracks. Really, it's for any storyteller with an idea. It's a tool for everyone. And that is the bottom line. For the very first time, you have access to tools that can produce Hollywood-grade results, but you don't need that Hollywood-grade budget to do it.
This really is it. It's the democratization of AI video. The power is being taken from a few giant labs and put directly into the hands of millions of creators all around the world. It's a fundamental shift in who gets to create high-quality moving images.
So as we wrap this up, the technology is here. The gates are wide open, and the tools are in your hands. This isn't just about what Tencent has created. It's about what happens next. The only question left is, what will you create?